Hello loves, this is Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And to all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of this family. Today I am super excited because I am partnering with King of Christmas. I have this beautiful 7-foot Prince Flock artificial Christmas tree with 400 warm white LED lights, and it is very easy to assemble. Of course, it comes with the tree stand. It comes with gloves to protect your hands as well as the Christmas tree, and it has this beautiful instruction book telling you all about your Christmas tree. Again, it is very easy to assemble. The stand itself, you just fold it out, and the tree comes in 3 sections. It is labeled A, B, and C. This is the plug, and it has a switch, a tapping switch, that you can have different settings of the lights, and I'll show you that later on in this video. Now my hubby is assisting me in putting this together while I operate behind the camera. He has placed the first section in. He also plugged it in to show the lights and make sure they work, and they do. We also like to take the time as we place each section in. We like to fluff as we go. And I must say, this flock tree has very little fallout, and I love that. And the bristles on this tree is so lifelike, so real, and they're so full. This is an amazing tree from King of Christmas. Now, as you can see, my hubby here is connecting the second section. You plug it in and you twist it tight. And he's fluffing. And here is the third section. Again, this is very easy to assemble. Now, isn't she lovely? This is a beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree. Now, if you're interested in this Christmas tree, I will have a link and a coupon code or a discount code in my description box down below. These trees are amazing, and you will have them for years and years and years to come. Now, right now, I am sharing with you the different settings of the lights. It has a power on setting, a slow motion setting, a fast flash setting, a slow flash setting, and a 30% power setting. And that's the one I love right now with this fall Christmas tree. So now I am getting ready to decorate her. I am so excited. Again, if you are interested in one of these beautiful trees or any other merchandise, King of Christmas link will be in my description box down below. So right now, let me share with you some of the items that I will use to decorate this beautiful Christmas tree. Some of the things I've already had, like these copper long stem picks and the ribbon. I did go out and purchase these blue pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. Those copper pumpkins I already had, but they do have them at Dollar Tree. I also went out and purchased these beautiful wording from Hobby Lobby that says blessed. And these stems with the blue pumpkins, mini pumpkins, I purchased those from Hobby Lobby as well. I also picked up this ribbon from Amazon, the navy blue velvet ribbon. And I am going to place ribbon on this tree. Now I like to take both ribbon, put them together, and twist them around two of the limbs. And I work my way down. I also like rotating to each side as I come down the tree. I like rotating the ribbon. So as you can see here, I have the orange pumpkin ribbon on the left and the navy on the right. So my next will be reversed with the navy on the left and the pumpkin on the right. So I'm going to finish the ribbon part up and then we'll come back with more decorating. So I'm going to start placing my navy pumpkins in. And I'm looking for little gaps. This tree does not have that many gaps in it. But I'm filling them with the pumpkins. I'm also placing these copper pumpkins in as well. I also have these stems and I need to go buy some more from Hobby Lobby with the acorns. They are so beautiful. And then I decided to do a DIY on these sunflowers, taking some tacky glue and some fine gold glitter, and I'm going to glitterify this sunflower in the middle. Now, I was looking at some sunflowers that I picked up last year from Michael, so I was like, I need to do this with these sunflowers here. And I did like 9 of them, and it took me less than 30 minutes to do it, guys. It did not take me long at all. It just takes time to dry the center here. It took about a day to have these dry, and I'm fine with that, because in the end these flowers look amazing. The flowers are so pretty. While the flowers are drying, I decided to go on and do the topper on my tree. I usually wait to the very last thing to do it, but since I'm waiting a whole day, I might as well accomplish as much as I can with this tree. And I took these long, beautiful stems, these copper stems, and placed them there. I've had these, I think I purchased these from Hobby Lobby as well a couple of years ago. So I'm placing them on top. With these beautiful navy pumpkins on the stem. Now guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and a reminder to subscribe if you are not subscribed to the channel. I would love to have you. So guys, here is one of the flowers on the tree. Here's the navy pumpkin. Here's the copper pumpkin. I really love those. They don't even look like they come from Dollar Tree. They're so beautiful. Here are the blessed, or one of the blessed words from Hobby Lobby. The acorns from Hobby Lobby. And the beautiful ribbon. This ribbon came from Hobby Lobby, but they don't have it this year. And the navy velvet ribbon from Amazon. And of course the topper with this copper and navy velvet pumpkins. And here is my beautiful, very different fall tree. I did not want to overdo it. I wanted the flock to be seen because the flock is amazing on this tree. I just wanted to add a few touches of fall to it, and it looks amazing. And the warm LED lights, it adds that extra fall touch to it. All of King of Christmas information will be listed in my description box down below. I can be followed on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and you can shop my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. So thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day. I'll talk to you real soon.